Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to track an object in CapCut PC. So start by adding your main video down to the track and now go to the start of the video or wherever you wish to start tracking from. So if you want to start tracking here, that's completely fine. I'm just going to do this entire video just for the purpose of this tutorial. So start here and now I want you to select the video and go up here and make it larger than what it already is. So make it larger than the ratio so you have some room to play with. Otherwise, once you're tracking it, let's say if I want to track the head, which is what I'm doing in this video, and if I had it zoomed out to the original, let's say this was original, it might move around like this so you see the black on the outside, and we don't want that. So enlarge it a bit more than what you see, and ensure to do it enough so that you don't have to go back and redo this entire process because there's no way of going back. So I think this is going to work out for me here, so I'm going to leave it at this level of zoom. So the next step is to go up to text and click default, just add a small text and make a full stop or dot, and just make it long enough to fit the entire video down here on the track. I'm just going to go back. So the next step is to place this dot. So from the start of the video, make sure you're all the way back to the start or wherever you want to start tracking. And now go and put this in the main point you want to track. I'm going to track from the eye of this parrot as that's just going to be a bit easier for me as it's a bit more precise. So now you go here and you go to select the video down here on the timeline, and now you ensure you're in video, basic, and you go down to position. The first step here is to click add keyframe on the side to the right here. And as you can see, there's a little white keyframe down here in the middle of the video. And now you go a little bit ahead every few moments, and then you go up here and drag and adjust. So the dot is in the middle of the eye, and it automatically adds a new keyframe every time I mess around with the position. So do that again, like this, a bit more movement. So where there's a lot of movement, you want to maybe be a bit more detailed. So I can go back here as well and add a new keyframe here. It doesn't matter. If you miss one, you can just go back like this here. And see, here there's a lot. So I'm going to do 2 here. Like this. And you just continue until you're satisfied or whenever you want to stop. So like this. If you click away, just select the video again like I just did. And now there's not a lot of movement, so you can just be a bit more loose with it. Like this. Once you're satisfied, you can go back and you can actually delete the text here. That's just your guide. So just click on it and click backspace on your keyboard to delete it. I'm just going to mute the video. You don't need to. It's just a bit loud. So when I play this video now, it will track the object like this. And yeah, that's basically how you can easily track a video or an object in CapCut with a few keyframes. It's actually super straight and forward. And yeah, you can use this for many purposes, for example, dancing videos. So yeah, it's super easy and you should definitely give it a try, and let me know what you think of this method in the comments. Thanks for watching.